Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1957 Chevy Nomad. Just an absolute beautiful vehicle here. Has a blueprint 383 V8 700R automatic. It's in House of Colors, raspberry, candy, apple, red. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle here. Interior is gray. But before we get too deep into this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of the cars are domestic classic cars, and then about 20% are European exotics and or luxury vehicles. I won't go into the other room as we want to concentrate on this 57 Nomad here. But just want to show you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you are interested and you're not in Florida, do not worry, as we have the ability to ship vehicles anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped cars to, I believe, 19 different US states and over 7 countries throughout the world, so we can certainly get this car and any one of our cars in inventory to your destination, so you can start enjoying your dream car, add it to your collection, or whatever you may want to do with it. If you have financing needs, we can certainly help you with your financing needs as well. Just visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a finance tab. You can apply for financing or give us a call. We do have classic car lenders that will finance classic cars, and also banks that will do late models as well for you. But just an absolute beautiful restoration here. We've been told has over $300,000 of work done on this vehicle. We do have a lot of receipts and information on the vehicle. It does have 4-wheel disc brakes, as you can see, Willwood all the way around, Lido tires, lots of chrome. Does have AC, you can see oversized radiator, as I mentioned, 383 blueprint engine. A lot of extras, not going to go through all of them. Please visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, and you'll be able to see it. It does have fuel injection on this vehicle as well. As I mentioned, House of Colors, raspberry, candy, apple, red. Just an absolute stunning car. The Holly Sniper, as I mentioned, ceramic headers. Does have tubular A-arms. And again, go to the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com, for more information. Not going to read it all through it for you. Again, apologize for the darkness of the interior here with the video. Please visit the website, Classic Cars of Sarasota. We have many more pictures of the vehicle. It is up on the lift. You can see it outside, so you can see the colors much better. Those have digital gauges, Alpine screen, as I mentioned, the AC. Go ahead and start it up here. The fuel pump, just over 12,000 miles on the odometer. Vehicle starts right up. You can see the Alpine radio here. Take you back to listen to the exhaust. Again, no smoke. No water coming out of the pipes. It does have a trailer hitch that can easily be removed, I'm sure. But just a beautiful vehicle here. Is 57 Nomad Restomod. Sounds great. You can hear the little rumble. As I mentioned, it does come with a fuel injection. Easy start. 383 blueprint. Sounds great. Oversized radiator, AC. And just rev it up a little bit here. Don't want to rev it up too much as we haven't let it warm up yet, but go ahead and shut it off. Just a beautiful vehicle. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call. 941-355-1955 for this beautiful 1957 Nomad Restomod. Again, the website is classiccarsofsarasota.com, and we appreciate you tuning in today. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to visit the website, give us a call. We do have additional pictures on the website of this classic 1957 Chevy Nomad. I appreciate you tuning in today. Thank you very much.